Hello everybody, welcome to Ruby Falcon. Today we're going to be making creamed peas. Creamed peas may be a little bit of an old-fashioned dish, but I love it. Let's take a look at what we're going to need to make it, alright? To make creamed peas, you're going to need 2 cups, that's 500 milliliters of frozen green peas. You can use fresh if you like, but I'm using frozen. We're going to use 30 to 40 grams of butter, 1 tablespoon, that's 15 milliliters of all-purpose flour, 100 milliliters of milk or cream. Cream is going to give you the richest flavor, but I'm trying to lose a little bit of weight, so I'm using milk. I recommend at least 2%. You're also going to use salt and pepper. Cook your peas according to the package directions. If you don't have directions, the directions for these ones are: add 2 cups of frozen peas to 1 cup of boiling water. Bring to a boil, reduce the heat to medium, and simmer for 4 to 6 minutes. While you're doing that, you can make the sauce. I'm going to be cooking the peas in the larger pot while making the sauce in the smaller pot. Add your butter to the sauce pot. Melt your butter over medium heat. Once your butter has melted, go ahead and add your tablespoon of flour and mix pretty much constantly for about a minute or 2 until it's all mixed in together and consistent. Once there are no more flour lumps, add salt and pepper. And mix it in. At this point, what you have here is called a roux. Add your milk. And mix it in. When you add milk to a roux, you get what's called béchamel. So this is a béchamel sauce. Once your béchamel sauce starts to bubble, turn the heat down to low and cover it until your peas are done. Stir it occasionally. Traditionally, a roux is equal parts butter and flour, but obviously this one has a bit more of a butter bias because we used 40 grams of butter to 1 tablespoon of flour. Once the peas have finished cooking, turn off the heat and drain the water. Turn off the heat from your béchamel sauce and add the peas to the sauce. go ahead and mix so that way the peas are well coated in bechamel sauce. And add to a bowl to serve. You can serve your creamed peas fresh and hot, or you can chill them and serve them later. Today I'm serving my creamed peas fresh and hot with rack of lamb and Mom's Dead Simple roasted potatoes. And there you have it. I find that the natural sweetness of the peas really balances out the richness of the bechamel sauce. I hope you enjoy creamed peas as much as I do. If you enjoyed this, you can click up here to subscribe, and down here is something that the algorithmic overlords at YouTube think that you'll enjoy for my channel. If it catches your fancy, go ahead and click on it. I'll see you next time.